Integers, this is a review of part 2. In today's lesson, students will review how to add integers with the same signs and different signs. With what? Same signs and different signs. Okay, so let's review. A sign of an integer could be negative or it could be positive. So that's what we're looking at when we're adding integers. And we sing this song to remember how to add integers when we don't have a number line. So go ahead and sing this song with me. It goes like this. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the higher number, then you'll be exact. One more time. Ready? Go. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the higher number, then you'll be exact. Very good. So let's do some examples. Okay, so let's look at the first example. First example says positive 6 plus 2. So even though there is no sign here, you can put one if you like. That's a positive 6 plus 2. Okay, do they have the same signs? Are they both positive? Yes or no? Yes. So we say same signs add and keep. So we're going to say positive 6 plus a positive 2. All right? So we say 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to keep the signs. Since they're both positive, we're actually going to make the answer positive. And now let's verify positive 8 on the number line. So we're going to start at positive 6. We're going to add 2, or move in the positive direction 2, positive to the right. 1, 2. And what is the answer? Is it positive 8? Yes. Go ahead and get that down. Okay, so let's read number 2 together. This says negative, read it with me, negative 6 plus negative 2. Okay, so before we begin, we ask ourselves, look at the integers. Do these numbers have the same signs or different signs? Are they both red? Are they the same color? Yeah. They're both negative, right? So they have the same signs. So we sing to ourselves, same signs, add and keep. So we'll put the signs, or we're going to add these numbers vertically. So we want to, in this box, write the numbers up and down so we can do a an addition problem or subtraction. So it's going to be negative 6. You're supposed to be adding same signs. You're adding a negative 2. All right. So you know you're going to keep the sign, right? Remember, negative, negative, negative. The answer has to be negative because you're going to keep that sign. So we are adding. You say 6, 7, 8. So the answer here is negative 8. Let's verify this on the number line. So you're going to start at negative 6, negative to the left. Here's negative 6. Then you have to go in the negative direction 2 more. So we're going to go 2 to the left. We're going to say 1, 2. And is our answer negative 8? Yes, it is. Very good. All right, so go ahead and read number 3 with me. It says negative 6 plus 2, okay? Or you're adding a positive 2. Now, so I'm going to ask you a question. Look at the colors of these numbers. Are they different? Yes. So do they have different signs? This is negative 6 and positive 2. Are they different signs? Yes. So you say different signs subtract. So you're going to subtract these numbers, but then you're going to keep the sign of the higher number. Okay, so when you do subtraction, you ask yourself, well, if we don't look at the signs, what number is bigger, 6 or 2? What number is bigger? 6, right? So you're going to put the 6 at the top. You're going to say 6, but you are going to subtract the 2. Okay? All right. Now, what is the sign of the higher number? So if I said that 6 is the bigger number, what is its sign? It's negative, correct? So whatever answer you're going to get when you subtract, you're going to have to make it negative. So we're going to take 6 and subtract 2. Say 6, 5, 4. And the answer is going to be negative 4. Okay, so let's verify this on the number line to make sure that we're right. We're going to start at negative 6, negative to the left. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a positive 2, positive to the right. How many times? 2 times. You say 1, 2. So do we end up at negative 4? Is that the answer? Negative 6 plus 2? Yes. The last example with me. It says negative 2 plus 6. Okay, so look at these colors. Look at these integers. Are they different colors? Yeah. This one's a negative 2 and this one's a positive 6. So do they have the same signs or different signs? They have different signs. So when you have different signs, you have to subtract. All right? So what is the bigger number when you don't look at the signs? Pretend they're both positive. What's bigger? 6 or 2? 6, right? So you're going to put that 6 at the top, and you're going to subtract the 2. Okay, now what is the sign of the higher number? So the higher number you said is 6, right? What's its sign? What is its sign? Is it positive? Yeah. So you're going to put a positive right here, and then you're going to do your subtraction sign. So you're going to say 6 by 4. So the answer should be positive 4. Let's check to see if we're right. We start, you can start at negative 2. Start at negative 2, all right, which is here. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and add 6. So addition is positive, so you go to the right 6 times. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so what number do we end up at? We end up at positive 4. Very good.